Hello friends, this is Rajat Dhar. Welcome you again to the new episode from Finogent Advisory stable. As you are seeing that we are among the very most polluted cities in Delhi NCR, and hereby today I am again in the woods. Although the things are much better thanks to the wind god done to the governments for this a bit much pleasant day as we compare to the last 1 week. So seeing at the pollution levels and the health concerns, so this is the topic that we are working on today. We are talking about cancer and how can we tackle that. Now there are the two ways when we look cancer as a disease or a treatment. One is the emotional and the treatment side of the disease. The second is how to handle that means the financial aspect of it. So let me put first some statistics that will actually enable you to gauge the intensity and the importance of the topic that I am talking to you about. But while I am saying that, please do subscribe to us on YouTube and connect with us on Facebook, like our page, stay updated to the latest updates that we'll be giving you and the knowledge that we'll bring you onto the table. So hereby we begin with the cancer. Now 1 in every 6 person that dies because of cancer globally. And if we go by the British Journal for Cancer, you wouldn't be surprised to know that in 1930s there had been around 28% probability of people dying during their lifetime due to cancer. And now in 1960s who have been born, there has been a probability of around 53.5%. So 53.5% is the probability rate during a lifetime for a person to get contacted with cancer and dying because of that. If we go by the reports of Indian Council of Medical Research, ICMR, in India in 2020, that is next year, we are expecting around 17.7 lakhs, that is around 18 lakh people getting cancer. And out of them, 8.8 lakhs succumbing to it. That means not going to see the next year or so. Well, we see that they are very startling figures, and even if we see in our own backyard among our friends and relatives, I would not be surprised that when each one of us would be having some friend or some relative battling cancer. Some successfully, some may not be so much lucky, some with better medical facilities at their disposal and some other not having those resources with them. Now this video will try to ascertain what can we do with it. Now, like in the beginning I told that there are the two things, prevention and action. Now the type of the lifestyle we are currently into, there could be 100 of cancer types that could be there, and it is not quite feasible or you can say possible for us to escape it if it happens. Now the second thing is, how can we battle that? Emotional aspect, family support, friend support, a person's own willpower are the critical elements to it. But one more critical element to it is having the financial strength to be able to have the best possible care available. Now, the first thing that comes to our mind, okay, I do have a health insurance, say for example 15 lakhs or a 20 lakhs, and I think that also covers cancer, so I am quite done with that, I need not to worry. But believe you me, there are many myths and preconceived notions that investors and clients at large do have when it comes to cancer, thinking that their health insurance policies will cover them, but however that is not the case, and we will be busting those myths. So if we go by the cover, 15 or 50 lakhs of the cover that the health insurance policies provide you, yes, they do cover cancer also at times, but with certain riders. While they will cover you for the first heart attack, they will cover you for the first kidney failure, for the dialysis, so on and so forth, but as far as the cancer comes, there will be some limits to it. They will, many of those policies, many policies for that matter, will not accept a cancer care unless and until it is not in the advanced stage. That means the malignant tumor having an uncontrolled growth and finishing off the good tissues. Unless and until that stage is not reached, the money will not come. So that is the rider for one and for all. Second thing is that it does not cover the inpatient hospitalization. So for example, you have the multiple chemotherapy sessions. Many health policies will not cover the multiple chemotherapy sessions unless and until you are not having an overnight stay in the hospital and being hospitalized for the 10, 20 or 50 days, and then they will cover you for the treatment. So those riders are also there. This is not only the case. The issue is once a person is diagnosed with cancer, there is no waiver of premium. You still would have to pay the premium for next year for the same policy. There is no waiver of premium, while you might have now no longer be in an active job. That might also be the risk. If you are in the advanced stage of cancer or even medium to advanced stage of cancer, and maybe you are not proactive on your job right now, or you might have lost it or decided to take a sabbatical. So there is clear cut a loss of income or reduction in the income. Now a normal health policy will not cover you for the loss income, but if you have a cancer policy, they do have an option where you can opt for the income benefit. How does it work? For example, you have taken a 40 lakh of policies for 8 or 9,000 of the premium per year. So 40 lakh of policy will give you 1% of sum assured per month as an income. So that would be around 4 lakhs per month. So 4 lakhs per month for next 5 years will be paid to you as a part of the income substitution, but that depends from plan to plan, company to company, so on and so forth. For that you need to connect with your financial advisor who would be able to guide you better. So a normal health insurance policy will not give you an income benefit. It will not give you the waiver of premium that you might be asking for. And obviously it will also not cover for the entire spectrum of the diseases. Moreover, if you have taken a pure cancer policy, this will provide you with all the benefits. Not only that, you do not have to go through a cashless claim settlement process. A medical report stating that you have got the cancer, irrespective of the stage, initial, medium or the last stage cancer, will give you the benefits of the sum assured as per the terms and conditions applicable. So once it has been diagnosed, you will be provided with the sum assured that is applicable for that stage of cancer, for that matter. So they will not ask you for the medical bills. It's up to you how you want to spend it. So if you got even 30 lakhs as a cancer diagnosis part of the cancer claim, you can have that 30 lakhs in your bank account and then use it for your treatment. Now whether you want to get it done at AIMS or you want to get it done at Medanta or any other A specialty grade hospital in India, it is up to your choice. So in that case, the companies will not be asking you how much you have spent on the treatment, while in case of the healthcare, they would be asking you for that. So there are the two things. At times we take our life too cheaply, and I would be requesting each and every one of you, don't take your life so cheaply. Cancer care at least is a must have in your kitty. If you're not keeping that, it is better to keep 40 lakhs or a 50 lakhs separately for the cancer risk. But believe you me, this is not only the risk for a single member in the family. You can multiply it by 3 to 4 fold. You don't know whosoever gets hit by it. So the matter of fact is, reduce your risk, adjust your risk, while the emotional aspect of it cannot be substituted, but financial support or the things that we have kept ready besides you would be of great help when you need it the most. Thank you so much for hearing me out, but please do subscribe us on the Facebook and social media channels, and also do comment. Your feedback is quite critical to us. Thank you so much.